dear little friends. Welcome to Parishit Krish. Today we have two super cool robot facts for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Fact number 11. Did you know some robots can be pets? They can bark like a dog, walk around, wag their tails, and even play games with people. They do not need food, but they do need to be charged with electricity. Is that amazing? Fact number 12. Here, another exciting fact. Some robots work deep under water, where humans can't easily go. They explore the oceans, discover sea animals, and help scientists learn more about the mysterious world beneath the waves. Wow! Today we learned that robot pets can play with us and underwater robots can explore the deep ocean. If you are seeing this video first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give a like button, share it to your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.